Storing data in DNA sounds like science fiction, yet it lies in the near future. Experts expect the first DNA data center to be up and running within 5 to 10 years. Data won't be stored as zeros and ones in a hard drive but in the base pairs that make up DNA. Such a data center would take the form of a lab, many times smaller than the ones today.
Data storage in DNA offers many advantages. A DNA file can be stored much more easily, for instance, and the lifespan of the data is also many times longer. But perhaps most importantly, this new technology renders large, energy-guzzling data centers obsolete. And this is desperately needed, warns De Greef, because in 3 years, we will generate so much data worldwide that we won't be able to store half of it.
The idea of using strands of DNA for data storage emerged in the 1980s but was far too difficult and expensive at the time. It became technically possible 3 decades later, when DNA synthesis started to take off. George Church, a geneticist at Harvard Medical School, elaborated on the idea in 2011. Since then, synthesis and the reading of data have become exponentially cheaper, finally bringing the technology to the market. De Greef has also made the data library even easier to search. Each file is given a fluorescent label and each capsule its own color. A device can then recognize the colors and separate them from one another. This brings us back to the imaginary robotic arm at the beginning of this story, which will neatly select the desired file from the pool of capsules in the future. Now it's just a matter of waiting until the costs of DNA synthesis fall further. The technique will then be ready for application. Thanks for watching this video.